Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Joseph Novichkov, Senior Trading Manager for GDM, with today's outlook. Starting with the most important news for today, European stocks index futures were a little changed this morning after a 5-day gain in equities, as investors are awaiting testimony from Federal Reserve Chair Janet Yellen, and of course Greece's creditors scrutinize a set of its economic measures. Contracts on the Euro Stoxx 50 index expiring next month rose less than 0.1% to 351.7 this morning. The Stoxx Europe 600 index extended a 7-year high yesterday after creditors agreed to extend Greek bailout funds. Greece, of course, sent a draft list of policies to creditors and institutions based on provisional agreement last week. Euro area finance ministers will receive them today. Investors are also seeking clues on the timing of U.S. interest rate increase from Yellen's speech, which is later today in Washington. The Fed chair testifies before the Senate Banking Committee on the U.S. economy, monetary policy, and of course the world outlook. Briefly for Asia, over there the indices outside of Hong Kong advanced yesterday to hit new highs, but traders traded cautiously ahead of the Federal Reserve Chair Janet Yellen's 2-day testimony before the Congress, which of course could give some clues on the possible timeline of rate hike in the US. China markets, they remain shut for the Chinese New Year holiday and of course will reopen tomorrow. Japanese Nikkei 225 index touched a fresh 15-year high to 18,603 for the fourth consecutive session, recouping morning losses as the yen weakened to 119.11. In Australia, the S&P 200 index recouped losses to close near a 7-year high, supported of course by a surprisingly resilient energy sector and as banking sector mostly recovered from the earlier sell-off. The big four lenders erased earlier losses with Australia and New Zealand banking, Commonwealth Bank of Australia, and of course Westpac gaining of 0.7% each. In the commodity sector, we're looking at gold. It's steady near its lowest level in 7 weeks yesterday. As of course, the investors are looking to Federal Reserve Chair Janet Yellen's Senate testimony for signs on when U.S. Central Bank will raise interest rates. Gold was little changed at 1203.52 an ounce this morning. The metal hit an intraday low of 1191 yesterday. Its weakest, of course, since January 5. Crude oil rose briefly yesterday when Nigeria's oil minister said the country would call on OPEC extraordinary measures if prices dropped further. But of course, lingering doubts stemming from key Gulf OPEC members' resistance to curb production, they pair gains. Oversupply worries also capped further upside momentum, with U.S. crude stock expected to have increased by 4 million barrels to a new record high in the week that ended February 20. This is a preliminary survey that showed yesterday. And of course, for today's most important events, as we spoke at the beginning, with high volatility expectations at 10, European CPI and UK inflation report hearings. At 14, Eurogroup meeting, and of course, European Central Bank's President Mario Draghi will have a short speech. At 15, consumer confidence, along with the testimonies of Fed Chair Janet Yellen. This is for US. Of course, this is all from me for today. Keep an eye on the calendar. Extremely important events with high volatility expectations. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.